Merry Christmas.
You stole his hat.
No, I did not. It's my hat now. It's my hat
We
now.
both stole our hats because this is our stuff.
I had my elf one on yesterday. Hey, I at least wore a hat. I think I wear a hat every year though, so I don't know what we did with all of our hats.
You have to wear it.
I think it's underneath your bed in one of those
I dare
seals.
you
What?
to wear the hat during mowing.
How is that a dare? It's warm.
I know, but you still need to do it.
Why would that be a dare? Seriously, ask yourself, why would that be a dare?
It's not. Just please do it.
What? What is wrong with you?
Wear the hat during mowing.
How is that a dare?
It's not a dare. I
It's
changed
like, I
it.
dare you.
I dare you.
I dare you. Your door's still open.
It's not.
It might be the back door. We'll have to check the back door.
You do still. You do.
Hi, everybody. We're videotaping, and we don't even realize it sometimes. Gracie, the little monkey.